Hi, my name is Kay from GEM Financial Modeling Academy. So today we'll go through a 5-part tutorial on timing flags. And as you know, timing flags are ways in which we tell our model to understand time and to deal with time. And so in forecast model, timing is very crucial. And so these are the 5 types of timing flags that you may come across when you are modeling. So the first part is period in which a specific event occurs, and so you can see the period here. So out of the modeling period, you are flagging just a single period in which a particular event occurs. So that's it. Now for the type 2, the second type of timing flag that you can come across is when you are trying to flag periods before a specific event. And so you can see it here. Before a specific event, the period before then, if you want to flag that, then that is another type of timing flags that you may come across when modeling. Now the third type is period after a specific event, which is quite an opposite of the second type. So after a particular period, you want to flag the period after that point. Then the fourth types of timing flag that you can come across is periods in between 2 event states, and this is very common in project finance modeling, where you are trying to flag the operational periods aside the pre-construction, aside the post-construction, and so this is an important timing flags that every modeler must understand. Now the fifth part of this timing flag is recurring events, where you want to flag period in which debt repayments are made. So this is a recurring event type of flags. Or you want to flag a period in which taxes are paid. So those are recurring events. Or you want to flag a period in which payment for supplies are made. That's recurring events. And so these are the 5 types of timing flags that you can come across when you are modeling. I'll see you as we go through each of them, how to model them properly in our model. See you then. But then, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you can get notifications for our subsequent videos. Thank you.